What are you eating? Cameron, what are you eating? What is that?
Apple.
No, what is that you're eating? Is that an apple?
Apple.
Yes, it's an apple. Who's that? Who's that? Is that Max? Max. Can you say uncle?
Apple.
Uncle? Oh, Mackie, don't lick the apple, please. Can you say hi to Uncle Dave?
Okay.
What did you say? Say hi to Uncle Dave. Say uncle.
Max. Max.
Mackie. Stop. Max crazy, huh? It's funny, huh? Ooh, he's crazy. Stop it, Max, please. Cameron, can you say hi? Can you say uncle?
Apple.
Ooh. Can you say bye?
Bye. I love you.
You what? Say bye, Dave.
Hi.
My baby eating an apple. Okay, say bye-bye. You're sweet.